Imagine a stormy night at sea. Waves crash against the hull. Sailors cling to rigging. Suddenly above, a strange light appears. A luminous glow, blue or white, dances on the ship's mast. This is St. Elmo's fire, a phenomenon that has fascinated and frightened sailors for centuries. St. Elmo's fire is a weather-related event that has fascinated sailors and scientists alike for centuries. This phenomenon is named after Saint Erasmus of Formia, also known as Saint Elmo, the patron saint of sailors. It occurs during thunderstorms when the air is highly charged with electricity. The conditions have to be just right for this rare and mesmerizing event to take place. The atmosphere becomes a giant electrical circuit, and the ship's mast acts as a conductor. This electric charge builds up on pointed objects like ship masts, creating a visible discharge of light. The light appears as a blue or violet glow, often flickering and dancing at the tips of the masts, rigging, or even the tips of an airplane's wings. The light is a plasma, similar to what you see in a neon sign. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, consisting of ionized gas with free electrons that emit light when they recombine with ions. This is why the glow of St. Elmo's fire is so captivating and otherworldly. Seafarers have long considered St. Elmo's fire both a good and bad omen. The sight of this eerie glow could bring comfort or fear, depending on the circumstances and the beliefs of the crew. In some cultures, it signaled the protection of St. Elmo, the patron saint of sailors. Sailors would pray to St. Elmo for safe passage, and the appearance of the fire was seen as a sign that their prayers had been heard. In others, it was a harbinger of storms, or even shipwrecks. The glow could be a warning of impending danger, a sign that the storm was about to intensify. This duality made St. Elmo's fire a powerful symbol in maritime folklore, embodying both hope and fear in the face of nature's fury. Command. Currently, the VO is 340 words long.
The science behind St. Elmo's fire is fascinating. During a thunderstorm, the electrical field in the atmosphere becomes very strong. This causes a process called dielectric breakdown. The air, normally an insulator, becomes a conductor. This breakdown of air allows electricity to flow from the atmosphere to the ground, or vice versa. The flow of electricity excites the air molecules, causing them to emit light. This light is what we see as St. Elmo's fire.
Throughout history, there have been countless accounts of St. Elmo's fire witnessed by sailors. The ancient Greeks called it Helen's fire after the mythological figure. Julius Caesar's troops reported seeing it on their spears before a battle. These sightings often inspired awe and fear. Sailors interpreted them as messages from the gods or warnings of impending danger. However, the scientific explanation remained elusive for centuries. Columbus and the fire, a sign of hope. One of the most famous accounts of St. Elmo's fire comes from Christopher Columbus. During his first voyage across the Atlantic in 1492, Columbus and his crew encountered this mysterious phenomenon. As they sailed through the uncharted waters, the crew was often gripped by fear and uncertainty. The vast, dark ocean seemed endless, and the threat of storms and unknown dangers loomed large. One night, amidst the darkness and the rolling waves, a strange light appeared on the mast of their ship. The crew watched in awe as the glowing phenomenon, known as St. Elmo's fire, illuminated the night. To Columbus and his men, this was more than just a natural occurrence. They saw it as a divine sign, a beacon of hope, guiding them towards new lands and new opportunities. The light lifted their spirits and renewed their determination to continue their journey. Columbus's account of the event is just one example of how St. Elmo's fire has captured the imaginations of explorers and adventurers throughout history. This glowing phenomenon, often seen during thunderstorms at sea, has been both a source of wonder and a symbol of hope for sailors navigating treacherous waters. For centuries, sailors have looked to the skies and the seas for signs and omens. St. Elmo's fire, with its eerie glow, has often been interpreted as a positive sign, a reassurance that they were on the right path. The phenomenon occurs when the atmosphere becomes electrically charged, often during a storm. The ionization of the air creates a plasma which emits a blue or violet light. This light can appear on the masts of ships, the tips of aircraft wings, and even on church steeples. Throughout history, many cultures have had their own interpretations of St. Elmo's fire. Some saw it as a protective spirit, while others believed it was a sign from the gods. Regardless of the interpretation, the sight of this mysterious light has always been a powerful and awe-inspiring experience. Even today, St. Elmo's fire continues to fascinate and inspire. Modern sailors and pilots who witness the phenomenon often share the same sense of wonder and hope that Columbus and his crew felt centuries ago. It serves as a reminder of the enduring power and mystery of the natural world, and the ways in which it continues to guide and inspire us on our journeys.
St. Elmo's fire takes flight, modern manifestations. This fascinating phenomenon, often seen as a ghostly blue or violet glow, has intrigued and mystified observers for centuries. St. Elmo's fire is not just a maritime phenomenon. Historically, sailors regarded it as a good omen, a sign that their patron saint, Saint Erasmus, was watching over them during fierce storms. In modern times, it has also been observed on airplanes and even spacecraft. This eerie glow can appear on the tips of wings, antennas, and other pointed structures, creating a mesmerizing display. The same principles apply. A buildup of static electricity during flight can cause a discharge on pointed objects, like wings or antennas. This occurs when the electrical field around the object becomes strong enough to ionize the air, resulting in the characteristic glow. These encounters can be startling for pilots and passengers. Imagine looking out of your window and seeing a mysterious blue light dancing on the wing of your plane. It's a sight that can evoke both wonder and concern. However, St. Elmo's fire itself is not considered dangerous to aircraft. Pilots are trained to understand this phenomenon and know that it does not pose a threat to the safety of the flight. It is more of a visual spectacle than a hazard. It is simply a visual manifestation of the electrical forces at play. The glow is a reminder of the powerful natural forces that surround us, even in the modern age of aviation and space travel. St. Elmo's fire continues to captivate and inspire, bridging the gap between ancient maritime lore and contemporary scientific understanding.
From masts to antennas, the fire's reach extends. Beyond airplanes, St. Elmo's fire can also occur on other tall structures, such as radio towers, antennas, and even lightning rods. Essentially, any tall, pointed object that can act as a conductor for electricity is susceptible to this phenomenon. These modern occurrences of St. Elmo's fire serve as a reminder that even in our technologically advanced world, we are still subject to the awe-inspiring forces of nature.
Despite its scientific explanation, St. Elmo's fire continues to inspire wonder and fascination. Perhaps it is the eerie beauty of the light, or the way it seems to defy gravity, dancing and flickering in the air. Whatever the reason, St. Elmo's fire remains a potent symbol of the power and mystery of the natural world. It is a reminder that there is still much we do not understand about the universe around us.
The enduring fascination with St. Elmo's fire is evident in its frequent appearances in literature and art. Herman Melville, in his novel Moby Dick, describes the phenomenon as tongues of fire dancing on the masts of the Pequod. Painters too have been captivated by the ethereal beauty of St. Elmo's fire. J.M.W. Turner's painting Snowstorm, Steamboat Off a Harbor's Mouth, is believed to depict the phenomenon illuminating the sky. St. Elmo's fire, while harmless in itself, serves as a visible reminder of the immense electrical forces present in our atmosphere. It is a testament to the power of nature and the intricate ways in which it operates. Next time you find yourself caught in a thunderstorm, keep an eye out for this ghostly light. It is a spectacle that has captivated humans for centuries, and its beauty and mystery continue to endure. From ancient sailors to modern pilots, St. Elmo's fire has fascinated people for centuries. This ghostly light, dancing on masts and wings, is a reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world. Though science has explained its cause, the sight of St. Elmo's fire still evokes a sense of wonder and awe. It is a beautiful and enigmatic phenomenon, a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown.